Title: Understanding Simple Moving Averages, SMA. Introduction: Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will be discussing the Simple Moving Average, or SMA, which is a widely used technical analysis tool. We will explain what it is, how it works, and how to use it in your trading strategy. Body: The Simple Moving Average is a calculation that averages the price of an asset over a specified time period. It is used to smooth out the price action and identify trends. The SMA is calculated by adding up the closing prices of the asset for the specified period and then dividing by the number of periods. For example, if we want to calculate the SMA for a 20-day period, we would add up the closing prices of the asset for the past 20 days and then divide by 20. This gives us the SMA for that particular day. SMA can be calculated for any time period, but the most commonly used time periods are 50, 100, and 200 days. These are considered long-term indicators and are used by traders and investors to identify long-term trends. SMA can also be used to identify buy and sell signals. When the price of an asset crosses above the SMA, it is considered a buy signal, and when the price crosses below the SMA, it is considered a sell signal. Conclusion: In conclusion, the Simple Moving Average is a widely used technical analysis tool that is used to identify trends and buy and sell signals. It is calculated by averaging the price of an asset over a specified time period and can be used for any time period, but the most commonly used time periods are 50, 100, and 200 days. We hope this video has helped you understand how SMA works and how to use it in your trading strategy. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.